Here question number 21, chapter is indices. A plus b to the power minus 1 into a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1, we have to prove that is equals to 1 upon ab. As it is negative sign, so I have taken reciprocal. So 1 upon a plus b. Here I have taken 1 upon a plus 1 upon b. So 1 upon a plus b, here I have taken the LCM ab. So I will get a plus b. So a plus b cancelled out, and I got 1 upon ab, hence proved. Here it is given that a is equals to c to the power z, b is equals to a to the power x, and c is equals to b to the power y. So what I have done, I have removed, in place of this c, I have kept this value. So now a will become b to the power yz. Now in place of this b, I have replaced this value. So a will become x y z, or this will become a to the power 1. As both the bases are same, so I can say x y z is equals to 1. Again in question number 23, a is equals to x y power p minus 1, b is equals to x y power q minus 1, c is equals to x y power r minus 1. We have to prove that a q minus r, b r minus p, c p minus q is equals to 1. Again you have to do the same thing. You have to replace the value of a by this, replace of value b by this, and replace the value c by this. Now see the solution carefully. See the solution carefully. Replacing the values, what I have collected all the values of x, all the values of y, and all the values are being cancelled out, and I got x to the power 0, y to the power 0, that is equals to 1. Now here 2 to the power x is equals to 3 to the power y is equals to 6 to the power minus z, and we have to prove 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equals to 0. So 2 to the power x is equals to 3 to the power y is equals to 6 to the power minus z is equals to k. So 2 can be written as k to the power 1 upon x. From where this 1 upon x is coming? I have multiplied both sides by 1 upon x. So this power will be cancelled out, and I got 2 is equals to k to the power 1 by x. Similarly, 3 equals to k to the power 1 by y, and 6 is equals to k to the power minus 1 upon z. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So replace the value of 2, replace the value of 3, and replace the value of 6. So base are same, power are being added. So you will get k to the power 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equals to k to the power minus 1 upon z. So k cancelled out. Now I will get 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equals to minus 1 upon z. Bring this minus 1 upon z to left hand side. So you will get 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equals to 0. Then comes question number 26. You know, any whose power is 0, you will get 1. Here xy to the power minus 2 will become 1 upon xy, and here minus 27 a to the power 2 by 3 means 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3, and a to the power 9 into 2 by 3. You will just get this particular minus 3 to the power 2 and a to the power 6. So it will become 9a to the power 6. Here the value of a is 3 and value of b is minus 2. So part 1 is a to the power a, part 2 plus b to the power v. So 3 to the power 3 and minus 2 to the power minus 2. 3 to the power 3 means 27, and first of all I will make this positive. So it will become minus 1 upon 2 to the power 2. So 27 plus 1 upon 4, take the LCM and get the answer as 109 upon 4. Here x is equals to 10 to the power 3 into 0.0099, y equals to 10 to the power minus 2 into 110. So I just put the values as given after, and we have to find the value of x upon y. So I just kept the value of x at the numerator and y as the denominator. So just solving, I got 10 into 999 upon 110. So after cancellation, I got under root 9 and under root 9 is equals to 3. Here x is 9, y is 2, z is 8. So I have to find x to the power 1 by 2 into y to the power minus 1 and z to the power 2 by 3. So 9 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 to the power minus 1 and 8 to the power 2 by 3. So this will become 3, this will become 1 upon 2 and this will become 4. So 2 into 2, 4. So 3 to the 6 is your answer. Here x to the power 4 y square z cube is 49392. Just factorize this value. So you will get 4 times 2, 3 times 3 and 2 times 3 and 3 times 7. And then just compare the value. Say 4 equal means x is equals to 2. 2 equal means y is equals to 3. 3 equal z is equals to your 3. So x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3 and z is equals to 7.